welcome to my apartment. Today I'm doing for you guys an empty apartment tour. So there's no furniture or anything, just like boxes, because I literally just moved in. So I hope you guys enjoy this apartment tour. See, as you walk in, there's like this large hallway that goes all the way to the back of the apartment, which is like the living area. So I love this like large entryway, but we'll get into that a little later. First, we'll go into the bathroom. It's exactly like right when you get through the door, you'll see the bathroom. So the door is over here, and the bathroom is literally right next to the door. So this is my bathroom. I absolutely love this bathroom because I have like large mirrors, and then this part lights up, so it's perfect like if you do your makeup. And then there's also extra cabinet space inside for like a medicine cabinet or to put like small toiletries in here. And then what I also love about this bathroom is it has like these 3 small drawers so you can like store makeup or any like small products. And then also has like a large cabinet on the inside as well. And then extra storage on the bottom. So you can put like bathroom tissue and stuff underneath, which is good for like extra storage. I love how large the counter space is. So again, if you want to do your makeup or have like products on the counter, you have the space to do so. So I love that. I think over here I might do some type of shelving with like decor and towels. So I love that I have this space here. And then here's obviously the toilet, nothing glamorous about that. And then we have a towel rod here. And then one of my favorite parts about the bathroom is the shower. I have a glass door shower, which I love, so I don't have to worry about getting like shower curtains or anything like that. And the door just opens like so. And then as you guys can see, it has a deep tub, so like perfect for taking baths. It's like a really large deep tub, which is really nice. I like the tiling. It's just perfect. I love this part of the bathroom. And then one feature which I didn't think I was gonna get in my new apartment, in-unit washer dryer. Like this is like essential. Like I can't believe this is like literally like a luxury. So I'm very happy that I have an in-unit washer and dryer. And this is in the bathroom area. I kind of wish there was like a door or something to cover it, but it's not that big of a deal. I did wish though there was more space on the side so that I could put like a broom and like mop situation on the side here, but there's not that much space. But yeah, overall, this is my bathroom. I am obsessed. Like I love how spacious it is. So yeah, that's that. So if you guys come and see, we're back into this huge entry hallway. I'm thinking on this wall, I want to do like large photos going all the way down, so it kind of looks like an art gallery. I thought it would look really nice with like nice black frames with just photos going along this wall. And then here we have more cabinet space, which this unit does not have a lot of storage, so I'm kind of happy that at least I have some cabinet space here, although I do wish it was a coat closet instead, but it will do. It's just a good place to like store like large products and stuff that you need to like refill. So that's nice. We have some extra storage here. And then on this wall, we have this ugly electrical unit thing. I want to cover this up with like a mirror or something and do like a low bench to kind of add to that gallery feel. But the way this electricity box is so offset, I don't know if it will work, but we'll see. But anyway, that's this other wall. And then if you come down, you see my bedroom alcove area. So I have a lot of boxes because like I said, I literally just moved in, but this is such a nice space. That was like one thing. I said if I was gonna get like a studio, it had to have an alcove because it like feels like a bedroom. So I think I'm gonna do curtains in the front to like cover this part so that I have like a door that kind of blocks off the entranceway. And then it is really huge, so you can definitely fit like a king size bed in here. On this section, we have the closet. So this is the only closet in the entire unit. which I wish there was more closet space, but it is actually really huge. It takes up like this entire wall, and then there's like a shelf up here where you can store like your shoes or any like extra big boxes, bins, whatever. So I love how there's like a lot of space here, and then the closet is actually really deep. Like it goes all the way down, so you could actually put like a dresser in here. There's just so much space, so that's what I really love about this closet. I just wish that it wasn't the only closet in this unit. So on this wall, we have, I think, the thermostat where you can control like the heat and AC, and then we also have all these lights. And what the thing I love about these lights is that you can dim it. If you see in the hallway, you can see like the light going from bright to dim, and I just love that. You can control how bright you want the apartment, and it also controls the light in the kitchen area, which is probably my favorite part in this unit. So come by to see my kitchen. I absolutely love this kitchen. It's like an L-shaped kitchen, which is what I always wanted. There's a lot of storage in this apartment in the kitchen, so I love that. So here's like, we put like a pantry in here. We have the fridge, and then there's, like I said, a lot of cabinet storage here. And then one thing I really love about this drawer is that it kind of like folds all the way out. So that's kind of cool. And I also love how there's like some open space, like open shelves, because I think this would be nice to put like decor or like plates that are like aesthetically pleasing. It would be nice to put in these like cube areas. And then also another luxury, I have a dishwasher, so that's amazing. To be honest, I never really use a dishwasher. I usually wash everything by hand, but now that I have it for myself, I think I'm gonna get some really good use out of it. And then I also have a microwave on top, and then this is the stove, and everything is stainless steel, which I absolutely love. Yeah, that's pretty much my kitchen area. All the cabinets on the top are white, and then the ones on the bottom are a darker color. I don't know how I feel about the color of the kitchen, but the layout I love. The backsplash, I'm thinking about maybe changing to be black, because again, I just don't love the gray color. But this is my kitchen area. And then on this side, we have the living area, which is honestly a dream. It is so huge, there's so much space. I love it. And again, these lights can be dimmed depending on the mood you want to set in the place, which I really love. And I love how like the lighting is very warm and not like super cold. So I love that. It makes the space feel really cozy. So on this wall, I'm thinking of doing my couch, maybe doing like a plant or something, side tables, and then having like a huge rug. And then on this wall, I'm gonna do my TV and like my console area. And then I'm also thinking about doing like a island, like high top table, because there's one thing I wish that this kitchen had was an island. So I might do like a high top table that kind of like has an island look to it with some like bar stools. And then I also love how this unit has large like floor to ceiling windows, and it also has a sliding door, which is like fantastic. So if you need some fresh air, you can just open this. And then it also comes, this unit also came with these like large curtains. Yeah, they came with these large curtains, which is really nice. So, and I love the color of it, that it's white, because it keeps the place like nice and clean and like minimal, which I love. So yeah, that's my apartment. So I hope you guys enjoyed my empty apartment tour. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to be doing my moving vlog series, and then I'm sure you guys want to see how I'm going to decorate this place. So definitely stay subscribed so you guys can see how I decorate this entire place. And also subscribe, because I'm almost at 2K followers, and that's my goal. I have 1.6K and I'm trying to get to 2K. So definitely subscribe. Like I said, thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I can't wait to see you guys.